In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add titles to your Looker Studio charts. Adding titles can vastly improve the clarity and professionalism of your data presentation. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and search for Looker Studio. Once you've found it, go ahead and open the login page. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log in. Otherwise, you may need to create one to proceed. Now, you should be at the main interface of Looker Studio. Let's move forward. Locate the report canvas where you have your chart displayed. Click on the specific chart for which you'd like to add a title. This will bring that chart into focus, and you'll notice that the interface on the right changes to reflect the options you have for that particular piece of data. Next, look to the right-hand sidebar and find the Style tab. This is your gateway to customizing the aesthetic aspects of your chart. Click on it to open up a variety of styling choices. Once you've opened the Style tab, your next task is to find the Show Title option. This is typically a checkbox. Make sure to tick it so that titles are enabled on your chart. After enabling titles, you have a decision to make. You can either enter a custom title or let Looker Studio auto-generate one for you. If you'd prefer to insert your own specific title, find the title field that appears and type in the text that best describes your chart. By entering your own text, you disable the auto-generated feature. However, if you find that Looker Studio's automatic titles suit your needs, you can opt to enable an auto-generate option instead. This uses your chart's data and type to create a fitting title. Once your title is set, you might want to format it to match the aesthetic of your report. Stay in the Style tab to find all sorts of formatting options. You can adjust the font size, color, and maybe even experiment with bold or italics to make your title stand out. By following these steps, you can make sure that your Looker Studio charts communicate as effectively as possible. Titles help your audience quickly understand what the data is about, saving them time and increasing the overall impact of your presentation. So, there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive way to add titles to your Looker Studio charts. With a few clicks, you enhance the transparency and professionalism of your work. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to make the most out of Looker Studio.